What's up everyone, TechBird is here. As everyone knows, Google is going to launch its new series, which is Pixel 6 series. And we are getting closer and closer to the launch event of Pixel 6, and the images of that series are now leaked. And those images are leaked by Evan Blass, who is a credible source that shows the shots of second generation Pixel stand wireless charger, user interface details and camera specifications, and include a mention of face unlock biometric security. We have received these images little before the launch of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and this series is going to launch by Google officially on October 19th at 10 am. Before proceeding this video, I will suggest you to subscribe this channel if you want to support us. There is not much in these pictures that has not already leaked, but what they offer is a better look at the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro's rumored features. The beefy new Pixel stand, for example, is believed to support 23-watt fast charging. And when we will compare it with the Google's first generation Pixel 3, it was having 10-watt charger. The wireless charging stand was previously reported to have a built-in fan for cooling, and these images suggest that you will be able to switch the wireless charger between performance mode and quiet mode depending on whether you prioritize a faster charge or silence. So it's up to you. But a sad news is that the report has not told us about the phone's face unlock functionality. Google previously included Face Unlock on Pixel 4, but that feature was entirely absent from the Pixel 5 lineup. But one thing is confirmed, that Pixel 6 will have under-display fingerprint scanner. There is also a shot of rear of the Pixel 6 Pro showing off its 3-camera setup. Google previously confirmed that the 6 Pro will have an ultra-wide and a telephoto flanking the main camera. But this image confirms rumors that they will use 12 megapixel, 48 megapixel and 50 megapixel sensors respectively. Some shots include a look at the phone's charging brick, which won't be included in the box, as well as the photos of the phone splashed with water that are suggesting it will have IP rating for dust and water resistance. So this is not surprising, because Google's mid-range Pixel 5a includes an IP67 rating. The main feature the images are not able to offer any more details on is the custom designed Tensor processor, which Google says will improve the phone's machine learning capabilities. As far as the pricing is concerned, few days before we got the European prices, which shows that the Pixel 6 will be available at 649 euros and the Pixel 6 Pro will be available at 899 euros. Then a German retailer has revealed the prices of the Pixel 6, which is similar to the previous leaked prices, which were 649 euros. That is everything we have got about the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. It will be pleasure for me to know how many of you are going to buy it. Let me know in the comment section below, and your subscription to this channel will be great honor for me. Till next video, peace out.